Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you play glow bowling? Find out. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and if you haven't already, subscribe to us for free. It's simple, you just need to scroll down. If there's a red button that says subscribe, subscribe. We have over 900 videos, helps us out, please do so. We're gonna hit 8,000 by the end of the year. It's so close. Otherwise, I'm going to teach you a really cool night game. Darker nights are coming, so night games are a big thing. And this is a really cool one that I found online, and it's called glow bowling. Now what you need is 10 bottles, usually like sort of the little normal drinking kind. And then you need some glow sticks. What you do is you crack the glow sticks and put one in each one, and you line it up so you've got all 10. And then, once you've lined them all up, you get your ball and you just roll it. But you do this in the dark. What you could really do is if you've got your ball, you could maybe put glow sticks in it. If you've got one of those types of balls, you know, like the plastic ones where they've got holes in, you could maybe glow that up. Not only are you seeing the Skittles, but you're also seeing the ball go there. It's really fun to do in the dark. Who knew that you could do bowling in the dark with just glow sticks? It's really fun. Also, an alternative is that your glow sticks are going to be different colours. So you could associate different colours to different points. It doesn't have to be like a bowling where you've got 10 pins and if you get all 10 down, that equals 10 points. You could actually do it so that if you hit all the green ones, so if for example, you've got green sixes, or I think there are purple sixes out there. Well, there's purple woggles, I know that for sure. So if there's green sixes, purple sixes, orange sixes, yellow sixes, if you've got all them, maybe if it's their turn to roll the ball down, if they knock their colour, they get more bonus points for knocking their colour over than anyone else's. That's another possibility. Also, you don't have to line it up like a normal bowling alley. You don't have to do it in like a little triangle. Experiment. Be different about it. Who says you have to have 10? There we are. So it's a really fun activity that all you need are bottles, glow sticks, and a ball. Hopefully not an 8-ball though. Probably wouldn't work. But who knows? Yeah, it doesn't tell me. You can even scale it up and get bigger bottles. You can even decorate the bottles so they have like sort of different faces, Christmas related, non-Christmas related. Who knows? Go on, be experimental. I just give you the ideas, you can go off and do your own. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, then don't forget to give it a like and share it around, because this is a really cool activity and I wish I actually got to do it with my cubs. It's not fair. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye.